Good morning dear student and namaskar sabhi ko. Today we are starting our 6th semester practical here, and the menu of 6th semester we are going to start Oriental cuisine. In Oriental cuisine there are basically 3 countries in which China, Japan or Thailand. Basically we focused on 3 countries. The menu of 3 countries comes under the Oriental cuisine, and here today we are going to prepare the first dish of Oriental cuisine, that belongs to the China, that is hot and sour soup, and the second one is veg ginseng with red chili and tomato chutney. Hot and sour soup basically is originated from China, and it is derived from Sichuan state of China, and the same veg ginseng is also derived from the China. Today we are 2 dishes are generally preparing from the China region. Apart from this, day after tomorrow or maybe next day we will prepare the rest of the 4 dishes of Oriental cuisine. Thank you very much. Dear student, here we are starting to prepare Chinese hot and sour soup. For making Chinese hot and sour soup we have done Miza so far. So what ingredients are required for Chinese hot and sour soup? They are here. Firstly, we have chopped the ginger, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 2 tablespoons of chopped capsicum, 3 tablespoons of chopped cabbage, 2 tablespoons of chopped carrot, 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of tofu. Tofu is basically obtained from soya milk, so it is also a main key ingredient of Chinese hot and sour soup. 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped green beans, 1 teaspoon of chopped green chilies, a teaspoon of white pepper, and salt as per the taste. So students, here I am telling to you about the basic preparation or basic ingredients of Chinese hot and sour soup. After this we are going to prepare, I will show you the preparation of Chinese hot and sour soup. So keep watching. Now we are going to prepare Chinese hot and sour soup. For that we have came here at Chinese range. You can see that this is the Chinese range, and here we have placed the pan over Chinese range. Now we are adding 1 tablespoon of oil, then we have added tablespoon of chopped garlic, chopped ginger, after adding chopped ginger garlic we are going to add onion, then we will add chopped green chili, now the vegetables we are going to add. Firstly we have added chopped green beans, now chopped capsicum, carrots, after that we are going to add chopped cabbage, Now you can see all the vegetables has been added and we have stirred it properly. A bit of salt we have added. We have prepared the broth, vegetable broth earlier. Now we are going to add a liter of broth, vegetable broth on it. After adding the vegetable broth, now we are going to add a teaspoon of vinegar, and then we will add a teaspoon of soya sauce. We will mix it properly. After that, we are adding red chili sauce. Now we are adding a more broth which we have added earlier. Now you can see that the soup has been starting simmering, and now we are going to add a slurry of cornstarch to maintain the thickness of hot and sour soup. So that it can get a proper consistency. Now you can see here the soup has been thickened properly. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then we are going to add tofu on top of it. Now we added the tofu, and white pepper we are going to add. A teaspoon of white pepper has been added. Now our Chinese hot and sour soup has been prepared. You can see there lots of vegetables are floating on top, tofu is there. Now we are going to present it in a bowl. So here our hot and sour soup is ready to serve. We can add the garnishing over on top of it. Spring onion can be added, and the vegetables you can see here, they all come together, and it is ready for serve. Thank you very much. So dear student, here we are starting to prepare our dough for dim sum. Here we have taken the 250 gram of refined flour, and a teaspoon of salt will be added. Here you can see we have poured the salt over refined flour. Now we will add water one by little bit so that we can knead the dough. A little more. So students, here you can see our dough for dim sum is now almost ready. We will rest it for half an hour, and after that we will prepare the dim sum from it. Now I am showing you the ingredients of dim sum stuffing which will be required for making the dim sum. We have taken the around 50 gram of chopped cabbage, 2 tablespoon of chopped capsicum, 2 tablespoon of shredded carrot, half teaspoon of green chilies, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoon of chopped green beans, 2 tablespoon of grated paneer, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. So here we have all the stuffing ingredients which are required for making dim sum. Now after that I will show you the preparation of dim sum, how do we prepare it. So keep watching. So student, for making veg dim sum with red chili and tomato sauce, here are the ingredients of red chili and tomato sauce. For that we have taken the 3 tomatoes and we have cut it into 4 pieces. After that we will boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. Here are the red chilies soaked in water for half an hour, and 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of refined oil, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, and 1 tablespoon of chopped onion. Here we have red chili sauce also. So these all ingredients are required for making the red chili and tomato sauce. We have poured the 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we have added chopped garlic, now we are adding chopped ginger, after adding the chopped ginger garlic, we are adding onion. We will stir it until it cooked, mixed properly. Now you can see there the color has been changed of ginger, garlic and onion. The amount of water has been reduced, and now we are going to add our skin peeled tomatoes which we have blanched earlier. This is how we prepare our red tomato and chili sauce. Now we are going to add whole red chilies which we have soaked earlier for half an hour. We will stir it and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. After that we will paste the whole mixture in mixer. We will make the paste of these ingredients. Now we are adding 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Here we are going to prepare stuffing for dim sum. Now we are going to add a tablespoon of oil in Chinese oak. Chopped garlic has been added. Ginger. We will stir it. After adding the ginger garlic, now we are going to add chopped green chilies. Chopped onion. We will stir it and mix properly. After adding onion, now we will add the vegetables. We are here. Shredded carrots we have added. Chopped beans we are going to add. And now we are going to add chopped garlic, chopped capsicum and cabbage. So here the vegetables which are required for stuffing we have added. Now the vegetables has been mixed properly and we have stirred it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we are adding chopped shredded paneer over here and a pinch of salt we added. Now we are adding black pepper. Vegetable stuffing which is required for dim sum filling. Now we have mixed and it has been cooked properly. The ingredients which we have added, all the chopped vegetables, ginger, garlic and salt, pepper. We will cook it another 2 to 3 minutes and then after that we will cool it down, and when it will cool then we will fill inside our rolled dim sum. Now our dough has been properly kneaded. After that we are going to prepare a sheet from the dough, a thin sheet from the dough in which we will fill the stuffing, vegetable stuffing for dim sum. So here we are preparing the sheet for the dim sum. We have taken small balls from the dough and we will roll it. The small balls of dough which we have taken, now we are going to roll it and going to prepare a thin sheet for the filling of vegetables. Now we are rolling it. A bit of flour you can take so that your sheet will not stick into the floor. Here you can see a thin sheet we are preparing. Now on the edges or side of the sheet we are just placing the water. We are adding the water so that it can stick or the stuffing can be properly be inside. Now you can take 1 spoon or a bit of stuffing, bit of more stuffing in it, and then we will roll it. Now we are folding the sheet which we have prepared. We have kept the stuffing inside it. So this is the stuffing which we have filled inside of the rolled sheet. And now after doing this, we will place it over the steamer, and then we will cook. After filling the dim sum, stuffing inside the dim sum, we have placed over here at steamer, and we will steam it for another 3 to 4 minutes. After that, we will place it in a display bowl or display plate. So here we have placed the dim sum with red tomato and chili sauce. Thank you very much.